Hello and welcome to another video for Miniature Tanks Company. In this video we're going to be working on the Unic P107. Alright, so let's take our clippers and clip away the parts. So this piece goes with that. That's the flatbed, that's the regular, and this is the covered version. And this is like a box. The back version, perhaps ambulance, and used for other things. Okay, so there's that. Now let's continue with the clipping away. There's that. Piece by piece, we're just clipping things away. So that's done. That's done. Done. That's done as well. Last but not least, let's get these wheels sprues off the wheels. So now the clipping away process is done for this kit. Let's start to glue it together. So just put a little glue here, here, and here, and everywhere. And then put the two halves of the truck together, like so. Well, that's done. Now, self-explanatory here is to put the front grille on. Let's just put that there. Very good, we got that glued on. Now let's put some glue here. Alright, so we got glue on that. Let's now place the cab on top here. I'm thinking that that's looking really good. I like it. Now let's get the tracks glued on. So, put that there. And then, let's put the track on like so. And get those axles in the center, those wheels of the tracks. And then let's do this, and that. The axles and the wheels. So that worked out well. Let's get the front tires glued on now. As usual, just put the axle and the wheel there. And that works out just fine. Now this assembly video will be for all the listings. The flatbed, the open top, the covered, and then this big box back. Alright, so that's the way that should be. Now, these should go like that. So let's put a bunch of glue here. Great. And now, well, there you go, the mud flaps or whatever. Now, what you have as options is to put the covered version, glue that on, or the open top, you can glue that on, or the flatbed, or next is this one right here. Let's glue this all together. So put some glue on these edges. Like I said, it's not difficult to figure out where things go in this kit. That's nice. And just put this roof on. You're good. And finally, you can put some glue there and some glue there. Let's put this piece on like that. And that will look really nice. And you can put that piece on like so. Well, there you have it. This is available at miniaturetanks.com with its 4 listing options. Thank you so much for watching.